And New Jean host introduced the next performer on ASAP stage. Aha, aha, aha. At yan ay walang iba kundi si Darren Espanto. Tinatawag po siya ng kanyang fandom na New Jean host. And yes, in this spiel mga kaibigan, kalma lang po si Maymay na nanonood sa lahat ng mga spillers na mga kasamahan niya as hosts. At kasama dito si Mr. Ogie Alcacid na talagang nakinig lang sa mga host at hindi tumambling, o diba? So ganun lang po ang host mga kaibigan, bigay-bigayan po yan, hindi po yan pakapalan moks na talagang nakawin mo yung linya ng iba kasi nga po yan po, totoong host po yan. In order po yan. Kung kaya binabasa na lang nila yan sa harap nila. Narito po ang spiel na yan na napaka-smooth lang, walang agawan, at walang biritan. Let's go and watch this. Professional host na talaga sila lahat mga kaibigan. Let's go.
Pag-usapan naman natin ang isang event which champions Pinoy excellence in cinema and also music.
That's right. Of course, we're talking about the Second Manila International Film Festival held in California, USA. At syempre, para sa mga di alam, dito umattend ang mga talented Filipinos from the Philippines as well as from the US as well.
Yes, at ang nanalo ng Best Picture dito, ang pelikulang Song of the Fireflies. And we have a treat for everyone this afternoon.
Yes, with the theme song from the award-winning film are two of its actresses who are also award winners.
Give it up for the 2025 Manila International Film Festival Best Supporting Actress Rachel Alejandro and Best Actress Morissette!
So diba, smooth lang mga kaibigan at walang agawan ng linya po yan. So yes, that's our very own host na mga love natin. Maymay, Belle, Robbie, Edward, Tara, and Janine. And yes, ang mga kasamahan nilang nasa linya na si Ogie Alcacid mga kaibigan. So yan, ganyan lang po. Walang agawan, walang tulakan, walang hiritan, biritan, at masaya lang tayong panoorin sila, o diba? So yes, let's go and bring more updates. Dito lang yan sa ating channel mga kaibigan. Alexander Lexter Jules. Yun.
Oh, look. Who's that?
Anniversary pala ni Robbie at saka ni Mikey. Sabi dito ni Cara, haha, ituloy lang ang pang-asar kay Belle at Donnie. Ship ko sila, mukhang bagay. Talk about.
Donnie! Right? Dito kayo.
Golden buzzer ka.
Background po. Ito, camera.
Ayan na.
Reverse po tayo. Gusto ko po i-announce na may extra fuel and motivation si Robbie Domingo today. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Ate Mikey in the house. Mikey!
Samantala habang binubuli or niloloko-loko ni Maymay itong si Belle at saka si Robbie, sabi naman ni Neil yung meme ni AC Mayward himig ng pag-ibig, sabi ni Darnie kasi pakishare naman Mayward for research purpose only, itong Mayward himig ng pag-ibig. Sabi dyan ni Jana, ang lupit mo talaga mag-soko girl. Nil Jared, ikaw na talaga. O nga no, yun pala ang pinag-uusapan nila, ang galing mo. Sabi kasi dito, Rain dancer na ako. AC, I'm so proud of you, Rain. You blessed me with your dancing skills. Sana you blessed me with your PBB. Ano yarn? Panoorin nga natin to.
Kita ko, singer dancer.
Dancer no!
Yes!
Dancer naman, Rain.
I'm so proud of you. Sana you blessed me with your PBB.
Sorry, Morissette. Come on down. Congratulations on your recent wins.
Thank you so
My
much.
God, Best Supporting and Best Actress.
The two Fireflies,
Watch na,
what
Martha.
these two have in common, I've watched them both from the very beginning of their careers. They're both fighters. They hit, they miss, they miss, they hit, they never give up. And now they're both in a movie that's a winning movie.
Ano yun? Kasi sabi ni Neil, yung akala mo si Kuya Robbie na napahawak ka, si Edward pala. Kaya hindi na siya humawak. Ganon! Sige nga, balikan natin to. Cute. Dahil na-realize niya na hindi si Robbie yung braso na nahawakan niya, kaya biglang bitaw at lumapit kay Janine. Oops, talagang bawal ba talaga kayo maghawakan ng mga braso, mga guys? Kaya tuloy nag-usap sila. Nasoko pala. Naku, sa susunod, dobleng ingat na yan kasi nga, naku, delikado. Sa management, yung mga ganyang soko natin, naku, sorry naman, at na pinpoint ko pa talaga at close up ko pa talaga. Kasi syempre, kung kinilig sila, kinilig din ako, diba?